Assalamu alaikum all GSM friend. Today's subject Samsung M11 M11 binary U5 dump file UMT hang logo dead mode auto EDL mode 100% trusted. Now see you download imo on WhatsApp and Telegram join it. Next, TV board TP's smart TV file 100% tested. Next, Infinix GT30 Pro A60 flash file dead mode 100% tested. Now see you download imo on WhatsApp and Telegram join. Okay, download. Next, Oppo A60 Pro CPH2631 dump file and MDM 100% trusted dead mode. Now see download and Telegram join it. OnePlus 5T flash file dead mode only Qualcomm port show 100% trusted. Now see you download imo on WhatsApp, chat now and tool free. Next, Oppo Reno 7 Pro 5G CPH2293 dump file unlock tool dead mode 100% tested 2025. Next update, the file download. Okay. Next, Tecno Nova 7 Pro LZ8 5G flash file dead mode. Now see download only empty port show and paid file. Next, Tecno Power Slim KM9 5G dead mode 100% trusted. Now see you download imo on WhatsApp chat now. Next, Tecno LJ8 5G 100% trusted. Next, Realme 10 RMX 3630 flash file dead mode 100% 40 security last security file and then tested. Other file not working, my file is working but paid file not free. The download imo on WhatsApp and Telegram join it. Next, Oppo Tecno KJ8 same solution. Now see download dead mode repair file. Next, Oppo A60 CPH2631 QCN file. Now see you download imo on WhatsApp and Telegram join it. Any problem imo on WhatsApp are now my service 24 hours. Any file you need WhatsApp and imo on Telegram join it. Emergency or file need any browser open. Now see Google now. Right now Borsha Mobile. Borsha Mobile is right now the open now the site magic system. Now see search blogger this model A60. Just a minute. Wait, magic system. Okay, now see wait the QCN file right. Okay, and any file you need emergency imo on WhatsApp and Telegram join it. 24-hour service. Good night all GSM friend. I am ready only for you.